Having a flat roof can be a great architectural feature, but it's not without its challenges. One of the most common problems we encounter is the issue of roof leakage and damage. Flat roofs, due to their design, are more susceptible to water pooling, which can lead to leakage and damage over time. Persistent leaks can lead to more serious issues, like rot and structural damage. We've seen cases where prolonged exposure to water has caused the roof to sag or even collapse. When it comes to flat roof repairs, it's all about catching the problem early and tackling it head-on. Here are a few things to look out for. Water pooling. This is a common issue with flat roofs. If water is left standing for more than 48 hours, it can start to seep into the roof material and cause damage. Cracks or blisters, these are often signs of water damage. If left unattended, they can grow and lead to major leaks. Water stains on the ceiling. This is usually the first sign homeowners notice. If you see water stains, it's time to inspect your roof. Growth of mold or algae. This is a sign of persistent moisture and can lead to health problems if not addressed. Sagging roof. This is a serious issue that indicates structural damage. If you notice your roof sagging, it's time to call in the professionals.